In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo cash out pending too long. So if Venmo hasn't really taken money from your bank account, that may be because there's some problems. But the reason your payment is pending, maybe because it's not an instant confirmation or it's not an instant transfer. So if your cash out is pending too long, that may be because of it. So next, it may be because the payment was sent on a weekday or weekend or bank holiday. So in that way, the cash out will actually pending too long. Or if your person that you paid doesn't have a Venmo account, it will also take some time before it actually reverses back to you. Another option is because you have insufficient balance. Another option with that is because Venmo is conducting a verification check on your end and you still haven't completed it. Or Venmo is having technical problems right now, or there's a problem with your bank's network. So in order to fix this is you can just wait it out depending on the problem that you have or add balance if you have insufficient funds. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.